Hey again. Let's talk in this video about casting concept. Casting mean I have something I want to cast it to another thing. So if you remember from previous example when we had class named operation 1 have sum and div. There is another one multi operations have sum div multiply whatever, and I have different implementation for sum here. Now wait, what if I create an instance from this class and I do cast it to this class? What he will do, he will check, hey, I have this class, I have div and sum. Do I have to have sum here? If yes, replace it with this sum. Do I have div here? If yes, replace it with this div. And finally, he will create a class for you, name it operation with two methods only. So see what I have now. 50, 25, 1, 51, 1. So now if I said, hey, wait, I want to change this class to cast it to this class. So I say as operations. That means convert this class for me to operations. Before adding this line, if you just write here op 2 dots, he will give you 4 methods, as you know, 4 or 3, I don't remember exactly how many methods he will give you. He will give you four mul, sub, div, sum, because all these methods are part from this class, multi operations. But if I do cast it to this operation one, I'm not able to see more than div and sum. Why? Because only div and sum are available here in this class. This class operation have only div and sum. But because I did cast for this one to this one, that means he will try to replace the method. He will take this one, replace it, and instead this one. Take looking for div here, try to replace it this one, and he will ignore other methods. So if you just rerun it, now let me see what we will have. It will be something interesting, because now this class operation and operation have two methods first, sum and div. Sum have to sum two number, div have to div two numbers, like binormally. If I have sum, that means he will sum them. If I div, he have to div them. But the second one in the sum operation will give us different result, because he will take in the sum from the parent class. So let me see what is going on. So here I have sum and div 25 1. This is normally because 10 plus 15 25. Div by, when I divide 12 by 11 should be 1. That's okay. But if I go here, I'm talking about multi operations. If I send 10 5, but I cast it to operation. So 10 5, and now this class op2 is operation, not multi operation, is operation, because I have two methods only. But when I send 10 and 5, you have to return to me 25, but you return 55. Why? Because as I told you, even it is operation, but he add this method instead this method. He just cast it, replace it. So he give you 25. And also still div still give you same result, because I didn't replace it with any method. You will see casting a lot in Android when you cast the class to other class. This is basically the idea of the casting. That means, hey, I want to convert this class to this class. Here we done. Thank you for watching. See you next.